Okay, hey guys, how you doing? Hey, I'm on. I think I'm on. Am I? Yes, I am on. So we're taking a little walk here on the beach with my, oh my God, my beautiful girl Nadia. Say hi. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. And we're just taking a little break. We're having a little fun. We're going to a beach bar. This is the Caribbean Ocean, and I actually live here. And everybody keeps asking me on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Snapchat. I get hundreds of messages every week, and everybody asks what I do for a living. Because I travel the world. They see me in tropical paradises, and I live a absolutely drop-dead gorgeous lifestyle because I choose to live this lifestyle, because my online income gives me the ability to live this lifestyle. Make sense? So here's what I do. I have a very simple system that I didn't develop. I actually copied it from a very young multimillionaire online internet marketer. What he did is he taught me 5 simple steps, and I paid him money to do this. So I made a very large investment. I was stuck in my business online. I was stuck. I wasn't making any money. I was making some money, but I wasn't making what I needed to live this type of lifestyle, okay? So what I did is I hired him, and I flew halfway across the world, and I spent about 3-4 days with him, and he showed me exactly what he was doing, and he was generating over $170,000 a month. I saw proof of it, and I copied his system, but I made an investment to do that, and the system works. So I started using the system, and it took about 6 to 7 weeks, and just everything changed. I started pulling in massive leads from social media, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter. I even use LinkedIn. LinkedIn has over 800, 900 million people. It's crazy. So what I do is I run ads. I post ads about my business, which is my super online coach. So that's what people call me. They call me the super online coach. So what I do is I market my services. My services help people produce more income on the internet selling their products or services, or selling somebody else's products or services. Does that make sense? So what it is, it's very simple. Come on, Nadia. Very simple 5 steps. And all we do is we post ads all over social media. What happens is people click on the ads, okay? They click on the ad and they go watch a video. They go watch a webinar. Now, I love webinars. I do live webinars every week. I have automated webinars all over the internet. And people watch these webinars just like you're watching this video right now. What they do is they click on a link like you're going to do at the end of this video, or you can click on a link at any time right below this video. And they go watch a video or a webinar, and then they ask for my help. So here's what they say. They say, I'm interested in doing what you're doing. I want to make money on the internet just like you, and I want to live the lifestyle you're living. So what they do is they go click on another link, which you're going to do, and they schedule a call. It's a live call. Now just hang on here for a minute, because I got to walk through all this stuff. We're walking on the beach. There's sticks and rocks and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so what they do is they set up a call. I don't sell a product for $50 or $100 or even $500. I just don't have that. I'm very high-end, high-ticket services that I offer. In fact, my least inexpensive, my cheapest product or service is $1,000. I don't do anything for less than $1,000 because I am an expert in what I do, if that makes sense. So what happens is they click on an ad, they go watch a video, they schedule a call. Within 48 hours, me or one of my 6-figure coaches is on the phone with that person, just like we might be on the phone with you here in the next 24 to 48 hours, because I'm going to give you an opportunity here to set up a call with me or one of my 6-figure coaches, and we can help you sell more of your products or services worldwide. Or check out all these rocks. It's crazy here, right? But it's beautiful. We're in paradise. We're just walking to our favorite beach bar right now to go listen to our favorite live band, get some food on a Sunday afternoon, and just relax. So what happens is they set up the call. Let me go back to the business. They set up a call. We get on a call within 48 hours. And we don't even try and sell them anything. We just say, look, what do you want to do? Are you interested in making more money online? Good. Great. So what would you like to do? And after they ask a bunch of questions, they usually ask about 5 questions. That's it. There's really not a lot of questions to ask. It's, how do you do what you do, James? How do you make the money you make? I'm interested. I'm in. I want in. And then I go over 3 programs that I offer. And 70% of the people, the leads, just like you, purchase one of my programs, and we put them in business literally within 3 to 5 days. Sometimes it takes 7 days if it's a bigger program, and that's it. That's how I make my income. So I provide super online coach services where we help people make more money on the internet. Period, using my 5 simple super step system. That's what it's called. So you can say that with me. 5 simple super step system, right? It's awesome. And I run this from my laptop and my smartphone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year in over 28 countries. You heard what I said, over 28 countries. So I help people make more money on the internet in the USA, Canada, South America, Asia, Japan, China, Europe, England, Paris, Italy, Spain, all over the world, guys. So if you understand the internet and you want to make more money, then I'm going to give you an opportunity right now to check out my services. And I won't even try and sell you anything. I will not even try and convince or persuade you to do anything. I will just tell you what I do. I will go over my programs. And if you would like to do one, we will get you registered, and I even guarantee it, or I'll give you your money back, period, okay? Because I only want positive testimonials on the internet. So I want you to click on the link right here somewhere. Sorry, my flip-flops. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the link right here below. Go watch my 20-minute automated webinar, or you can even register for one of my live webinars. I'll see if I can help you make a lot of money on the internet and live this type of lifestyle, okay? Sounds good. I'll see you on the next video. Keep watching my videos, okay? And every time you watch a video, I'm going to give you more information, more stuff that you can do to make money. In fact, here, I'll give you one tip. Go to Amazon, sign up for Amazon, become an Amazon affiliate, and start making money with Amazon. The #1 network, #1 website that sells more products in the world is Amazon. Okay, so I do that 24 hours a day. It's all automated. I'll show you how to do that. All right, click on the link on the bottom or on the top, subscribe to my channel, and I'll send you some free information on how you can change your lifestyle by changing your income, okay? Sometimes we have $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 days. $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 days in income. If you would love to do that, click on the link, go watch my webinar, and I'll help you.